Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we'll be discussing something that plays a huge role in our financial lives, which is the credit score. Whether you're looking to get a mortgage, buy a new car, or even secure a personal loan, your credit score can make or break your plans. But what exactly is this credit score and why is it important? In the UK, a credit score is essentially a number that reflects how well you've managed your finances and debts over time. Lenders like banks will use this to find out if you are a good borrower or not. Now, a good credit score can open doors like providing you better interest rates and other several benefits, but a bad credit score, on the other hand, can limit your choices and you will have to pay more and spend more than if you had a good credit score. So, if you want to learn more about the credit score, just sit back and get a notebook, and I will show you how you will improve your credit score. Now, one of the simplest ways to boost your credit score is by registering to vote. Lenders want to know you are easily traceable and living in a stable home address. And when you register to vote, you'll be added to the electoral roll, and that will make you visible in the eyes of lenders. It's also worth mentioning that not being in the electoral roll could hurt your credit score, as it will make you less traceable to potential lenders. So if you haven't registered yet, it only takes a few minutes. And after like 3 months on the electoral roll, you will see a massive increase to your credit score. Another great way to build your credit score is by getting a mobile phone contract. A phone contract is something most of us already pay for, but did you know that it can help your credit? This is how it works. Most mobile contracts are of the duration of 6 months to a year, and if you are consistent with your payments without missing any payments, your mobile provider may report these payments to the credit bureaus, and this will show to lenders that you are a reliable borrower. And if these payments are missed, it could harm your credit score instead and bring it down. So make sure you are consistent with your payments, and this will have a positive impact on your credit score. If you want to improve your credit score, the first step is knowing what your credit score is. That's where credit monitoring services like Experian, Credit Karma, and others come in. These platforms will give you a summary of your credit reports, and they'll recommend to you how best you could improve the scores. Now, they also show you what other financial products you are eligible for, like credit cards, without affecting your credit score. So this means you can apply for credit wisely instead of risking unnecessary credit checks. So if you haven't signed up for these services, I recommend you sign up for Experian, Credit Karma, and ClearScore, as you can get them in the Google Play Store or the App Store. One of the best ways to build and improve your credit score is by using a credit card the right way. This means making your credit utilization low. For example, let's say you get approved for a credit card by Capital One and they give you a credit limit of £1,000. You're actually expected to use between 1 to 25% of that credit limit per cycle. So that's roughly £250. So this will show lenders that you are not reliant on credit, and this will in turn boost your credit score in the long run. Also, make sure that when you're using your credit cards, use the credit card for payments you make regularly, like groceries and maybe bill payments, so that you do not just get carried away and start using your credit card for things that are not necessary. Because if you max out your credit card, your credit score can go down instead. Also, note that if you're not using your credit card, your credit score will also go down. Now, after a few months of using your credit card company will contact you in regards to increasing your credit card limits. Make sure to increase it because the more available credit you have, the more your credit score will go up too. And that's everything. Improving your credit score doesn't have to be complicated. It's all about making smart financial moves and staying consistent. By registering to vote, setting up a new mobile phone contract, and using a major bank account. And finally, by using your credit card wisely, you are already on the right track. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like and subscribe and drop a comment below. If you have any questions or personal tips on boosting your credit score, I'd love to hear them in the comments below. Thank you and see you in the next video.